item 21. I have something to offer today, Mila.
Tell us, this you have for something or the other getting exempt for some of time. You should resolve.
I have something to offer.
You should resolve this now.
Yes. Your Lordship may kindly see the order dated 3rd of February 2026, Mila.
You filing something?
No.
Manish, come with something very positive.
Yes, Mila.
Before this break, everybody should get some good relief.
Yes, Mila.
That's right. Order dated?
If the alternative is to hear me.
Order dated 3rd of February 2026.
See, we had earlier
yes.
Recorded that large number of 100 posts were kept vacant.
Apart from that, now things have moved ahead. Now what has happened? Your Lordship has constituted a kind of committee of advocates, and Your Lordship has also observed that the state should examine something as to their to accommodate them, and also Your Lordship has blocked the filing of further applications in this matter, my Lord, in para 4 intervention. Now there are the nodal councils have given me a list of 1,362 persons who are intervener or petitioners or who are seeking who are before Your Lordship on that date. That's right. Lord, I have one submission. I have taken instructions. The state is not giving me in writing, but I have given this liberty to place before Your Lordship for an order of this. That I am ready to consider them of 1363.
First class.
Only thing that I want to go for some proficiency test because they are dealing with the human life. That will not be an elimination kind of test.
These are what posts of?
They are the nurses. Nurses. Yes. To be placed in the government hospitals and the private primary hospital centers.
Qualification you want.
They have already.
But then,
they already have the qualification.
Yes.
They have qualification.
They were in the select list. Because it's a qualifying kind. Let us see what it does. Because if I am not doing this, I have two problems for that. They may be at a different stage of the merit list because they are claiming that their appointment should be on the basis of the marks obtained in their ANM course in their academic courses. So I am not aware that what is their actual qualification, what is their actual eligibility, or eligibility is not a correct word.
Do one thing.
Suitability about that.
Do one thing. So far as their qualifications are concerned, I think by and large there is no doubt about it. Everyone is qualified.
Subject to certain document verification.
So, verify it once again.
Yes.
Be satisfied with the qualifications that they exist. The other issue only relates to, unless if you have by chance you come across something very doubtful cases, you tell us. One or two cases may be there, you had a doubt.
But so far as
remaining, now so far as where to place them in the seniority position, you take a policy decision on that. So we have no difficulty on that.
We are in their hands.
We will also, otherwise, irrespective of their arguments, we will say, put them and block before below somebody who has been appointed.
I have no problem.
Pass the examination, you put a priority, you place it according to.
I have no problem in everything. Only thing I wanted to the order from this honorable court that I should be permitted to go for some proficiency test. He should do it as per
this will add a further stage.
Correct.
This will add a further stage and it could create a problem.
No, only
litigation will not end.
Please. Only for these 1362.
Don't do an examination. Do one thing.
That's right.
Yes.
Do one thing. Have a committee. Call each of them. Examine their papers. Examine their qualifications and approve them. If you come across something very seriously wrong, you note your reasons, place it before us.
Absolutely.
Very fair. Very fair. Very fair.
Your Lordship's one small request.
Want to the order of the court, my lord, not as a...
Please hear. Your Lordship's one small thing that 1,300 people, if the list is shared, we'll check we are implemented. So our names are there or not, we want to check that. So that Your Lordship's may direct them to give...
I don't think that should be reopened.
No, share it. Only share it. I'm saying that we are already implemented people. We are already.
The list has already been filed. It's filed, it's prepared in consultation with everyone.
No. We have been implemented by order dated 1st July 25, and I'm said that our names are not contained there. That's why I'm saying.
The 1362 names are already before us. He has examined it. Mr. Manish Kumar.
We are 4 persons, we are already implemented. Your Lordship, we are 4 persons, we are already implemented by the order dated 1st July 2025. So our names be there in that list, Your Lordship.
Should be there.
It's not there, that's why I'm saying.
There must be some problem. Just wait.
Your Lordship may allow us to place that names, Your Lordship. That's all.
Our order dated 3rd February 2006. Mr. Manish Kumar, Learned Standing Counsel for the State of Bihar, has taken instructions and would submit that. We will say that.
Yes, my lord. Only that the matter may be resolved.
162. Shall we pass an order as if it's a direction instead of you saying? What do you want us to do?
Yes, that direction by the honorable.
Has taken instructions and has made his submission. Having considered the matter in detail, your opinion that 1,362 candidates who, including interveners, are present before this court must be regularized in the posts.
No, they have not been appointed so far.
Must be appointed. Appointed.
Must be an auxiliary nurse, midwives. Before completion of the process, the state will be entitled to examine, process the candidature by considering whether these candidates have the necessary qualifications or not. We won't say anything more than that.
The committee may be constituted for that.
The consideration of the committee can be placed before the court for passing final orders. You do that in a week's time, 8 or 10 days time. Do it fast.
No. Your Lordship may permit the state to constitute a committee and Lord, this will take some time because all these persons, they have only given their name.
Say anything about it.
Committee approved members and process the application procedure already told you about they have the qualifications or not and place the report before us to pass final orders. This process will be initiated and completed. You can
2 weeks.
Because
what has happened by some more time because all these persons only I have their names
within a month's time, list this case for disposal on, we just list it, you do it before that. List this case for final orders for disposal, these cases for disposal on 29th of September.
One more now. All the councils who are here representing this 1362, they should give me the registration number of all these persons because the names are mismatched and even the parents.
Some committee which has been formulated, what we have said in our order, where is that?
They will give me the registration numbers.
May I suggest the Lordship may fix a date for appearance of these 1362 before the
committee.
With
That
all
will
documents.
We'll do that.
Yes.
There are multiple interviews.
We will just leave the date, Manish, when they should appear. You tell the court master, okay? These candidates may appear before the committee on, just find out. Then we will postpone the date also. Instead of giving it on 29th of September, we will fix it on 13th of October so that we can complete it on so and so. So the report of the committee with its findings may be placed before the court. List this case on the 12th of October. Will that do, Mr. Giri?
Yes, my lord, there is just one aspect. May not have anything to do with what my learned friend just now said. There are certain persons, my lord, quite a few of them, who are appointed during the pendency of the matter here by the state. One of them is referred to para 3 of the order which your lordships have said. State on its own found that they are eligible, that the vacancies are there, and they have been appointed. Those who have already been appointed by the state, let them be confirmed, my lord, in the post so that
They will ask. This
Final
is a
order.
formality so that, it should not be a stigmatic as if en bloc the court passed
Your
an order.
Lordship can make that the final order when your Lordship.
Absolutely.
very well as your lordships.
Your Lordship,
Only
four persons in an impleadment.
Just have a look at it.
Yes, that is what, Your Lordship. First
Mr.
July,
Milord, have a look.
they have been already impleaded.
It's very fair. So,
Milord, may I submit, Milord?
Mr. Pitmar person. Don't
Look
take
at the detail of the.
one minute. We'll tell you commonly. Just because some applications are here and there, don't exclude them. If they have the basic qualifications, just take it to them.
But if they are within that cutoff,
Unless there is something wrong.
if they are within that cutoff,
Naturally.
Milord, may I?
Lords, may I, for a moment, my lords?
Are beyond what your lordships indicated as the last date for the purpose of interventions being permitted to be entertained. Those people,
There are more applications, is that?
Yes, yes.
they are relying on the Supreme Court judgment that says
As it is, they have gone out of a
Milord,
1362. But the issue only is this, my lord. Your lordships have laid down the law that if a selection process is in challenge, every person need not rush to the court because the result will endure for the benefit of
Now
everyone.
you know.
They have not
There
challenged
is a law
it, my
and
lord.
there is justice also.
Correct.
Because it becomes
I think just a handful of
people. Because of the last order that we will not permit any further, confine it to those who are before the court, that they were courageous enough to arrive at a decision
That's
now.
the order dated
After
3
they take a decision, we'll say add more means.
It's a 2018 process. These people are fence sitting for the last
Just
9 years.
one request. What we will do, my lord, is we'll give because I think the people who are now come are also a few handful. We'll give those to the state. Let the state
more than 400-500.
Let them consider. Let them
That will
consider.
be new. Okay.
These articles are duly-
Call it on, so.
Grateful, very
My lords,
my lord, may I submit, Milord?
my lord,
Your
may I
lordship, your lordship will consider
May I
ours.
submit, Milord, and item 21, Milord?
Your lordships, they'll consider ours. That has not come, your lordship.
my lords,
Milord, all candidates has to be considered, Milord, who are
Your
registered.
lordship, they'll consider our matters. Our
May I just point it out, Lord? I have filed an IAM, Lord, for impleadment
there is
in
no direction to
2025, Lord.
consider the.
This may be allowed, Lord.
Your lordships, it
My
might
lords.
come. Otherwise, next time if I raise also, I'll be out of it. So that's why.
Told him your presence only to look into it. But next,
That's not.
Plus,
one
may I
of-
just point out, Lord?
and we'll remember.
Plus, may I just point out, Lord? I have
Milord,
filed an
all
IA for
candidates,
impleadment,
Milord, who
Lord.
are eligible, they should be allowed to participate before the committee, Milord.
26 whereby that order that all the legal
Oh my God, February order, don't ask.
that is what
Plus,
I'm
my IA may be allowed for impleadment.
my read petition number 663 of 2026.
Item 22?
Yes, 21, madam.
21 is over, 22.